Hello everyone, and this video is about the anonymous function in Python. So we're gonna learn about this thing in this video. So first of all, let me give you some the theory things or the points about the anonymous function. That why do we call it the anonymous function? We call it an anonymous function because it does not start with the def keyword like the regular function. That's why it is called the anonymous function, and it can contain the number of arguments, but it can return only a single value in the form of single expression. So it cannot contain the multiple commands or the multiple expressions. All right, and in lambda, or we call it anonymous function. Okay, in lambda or the anonymous function, the global variables are not accessible. The only variables which are accessible are the local namespaces or local variables that we define in the parameters of the lambda function. All right, last point is that it appears to be a single line version of a function. Like if you there could be a situations or the scenarios where you want to use the function for the one time, so you don't need to do it in the regular way, like you have to define it and return and all this stuff and the parameter. You can simply do the same thing in the anonymous function always. So it is quite simple, and it also come with a quite less code. So let's just write the lambda function here in our VS Code in Python. So for the lambda function, you have to first write the lambda. First of all, what I want from a function, I want my function to add two values. So I need two arguments. So value 1, value 2, and you just need to assign it in a variable. All right, so this is done, and now what you need to do is to print. You have to call your function, and we need the two arguments. So first would be the 10 and second would be 20, and it's working fine, and we will be having our result value. Now you can see that we are having our result value. So this was the anonymous function, and I have taught you the enough about the anonymous function on the basic things. Alright, so this is all for this video, and if you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.